In this PlayStation Portal Beginner's Guide, I'll show you how you can turn it off, turn on, reboot or force restart, and force shut down your PlayStation Portal. So let's begin. First, let's start by turning your PS Portal on. For PS Portal, you can't turn it on using the PS button. Instead, you'll need to use this power button that's on the top left corner. And just pressing it won't work. You'll need to hold it down for about 3 seconds, then you'll see the PS logo, which means your PS Portal is turning on. And after it's turned on, if you just press the power button, it will only lock your PS Portal screen, so it won't shut down completely. And to do that, you'll need to long press it. This will open the power options. From here you can either turn it off or select restart. But in your case, if your PS Portal has frozen and unresponsive, then you can also force shut down or force restart your PS Portal. For that, you'll need to hold down the power button for about 10 seconds or until the screen turns off. And if you hold down the button for about 2 more seconds, then you'll be able to force restart your PS Portal. And that's how you do it. So if this helped, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more useful tutorials, and I'll see you around.